Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, first of all, I thank Allah Almighty that was give us the message and blessing so that we can watch this video from your home with any troubles and obstacles. And secondly, my peace and thought and salam always be given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has saved us from the darkness of sin to the brightness of Tawhid. Okay, everyone, without any further ado, let's open our weekend TikTok series today by reciting Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so thank you very much. Our weekend TikTok series they run well from the beginning until the end. Alright, before we start the weekend TikTok series, I will introduce myself. My name is Mochammad Wibowo Assariy from 8th grade student of IDN Boarding School Solo. And the facilitator will be Muhammad Enver Avisena will tell you about how to make a radio app using Codula. So for Muhammad Enver Avisena, time is yours.
Okay, so thank you for the host. Yes, it's actually my friend. So my name is Mochammad Wibowo. Without being in here too long, let's go to the step. All right. So my codular sounds like this, but it's okay. Never mind. So the first one that you will do is a creating project. So, but you have to do making your account, but it's literally important. But now it's not necessary to. So, about the project that we make is entitled radio app. Yes, but in here the rule is without a space. So the advantage we have to use it like this, or make it with an underscore like this. But actually, I will use it an underscore, and there is a lot of yes. My interface is like this, and the app name is Islamic Radio App. And then you have to set the SDK is only 5.0 or 5.0 is cool is enough too. But for the package name, I will sure the format is others local format like a com, and then a dot and your name, my name, center, and then uh, you have to add another's like your exactly identified app name like this. Okay, so just finish. It will be in shown the. Oh my god, how can? So wait a bit. Mm, okay. While my project is like this, it's more look like what I want to test. Wait. Is it my controller like this? In the other screen? Uh, wait. What I want to stop my screen first. Okay, actually same. So now, uh, the screen of controller more look like this. Okay, share. And if you see in here, as the finish, uh, what's the Where's the screen? Uh, host, my all right. So sorry for everyone. So in here we bake it again. So the first one that we see in here is a modular projects. So my man, that letter at the past time, at the past, it's more like an error that I encounter. But now, well, let's see, we'll do new uh, creaturecontroller.io. So the first one, you have to open this creaturecontroller.io, or you can use C Codular.io as necessary. But if you want to make it fast early for setup this thing, you gotta make sure you have to open the Codular first, as it gave me a long time to load. So the first have a lot of asset, but I will give you the asset, so don't worry. All right. So now we will where is it? Okay. So it's loaded. And the first thing that we have to make it is wait. I delete one. It's fine. And create project first. Name that the past time they have to have uh, give you a simple clarify. Okay, name Islamic radio app, and then package name is a com your name. My name is and then the all right. So now we just finished it, and on top you can see in here, but it's okay now. So the first you have to gather is an asset. So in here asset is more like important in here. So I'll just give you the link. Yeah, wait. I'll just copy. So in here that you see first, okay, wait up, and this is the asset link that of my drive. Wait. So in here, as you can see, there is a see I had just download. So let's just start this thing. Alright, so the first one we will go into sees this one screen, but before you do that, you can use a splash screen. But I just do it in simple time. So the first one you have to go to load the files in here. Adjust the screen one that in here there is a line horizontal or line vertical. So maybe there's a center, just a center, and then you can just get a okay automated clock, bruh. And then after that you can use the time interval whether you want to in your yes your preference, and then as you can see in here it's a blank only, and you can just add up a screen one initialize from here, screen one initialize. Uh, from here, wait, set the clock and Lottie, time enable, timer enable. Okay, in here, and just drag and drop like another platform. So just make it fast IRL, and then you can just give it true and pause first. After that, adjust the clock. Make sure when the timer, okay, and then you can just duplicate this, okay, from the true. This visible is false, and then timer enabled is false. And after that, it's the component. But the first one that you have to do is making your lottie file. So first you can just head up to give it lottie files.com. There's the sources that when you want to make yes, lightweight scalable animation for your website and apps. It's truly, if you know, universal, quite universal, but as there's a lot of JSON and other JSONs, so make sure we have to log in first before we use. Although I didn't log in because I have log out, so we can just log in here. Is it? Okay, more the loading screens like this. Okay, finish loading is true. Now back to the Lottie file, we can just seems search for the okay. Is it there is? I guess. So the first one that we have to see in the Lottie file, you can just head up, okay, search for animation, and then just head up to radio or voice or something like a component that can be your intro or your splash screen in your apps. Okay, one in here there is pro and non-premium things too, but I do prefer not premium things. So in here, as you can see, there is this, but it's pro. The pro is only mm, the tools who made this thing, so we can just use it for free, you know. Atau you can download, save to workspace, save, saving, load first, go to dashboard, and upload the files, cause our files has have storage in here. That's currently enough. If you want to use yours, but I guess I had a bad connection too, but it's fine. no. This thing that we have saved. So the first that we can see in here, download and export. So we can use this, but maybe later of this it cannot. But I suggest this thing. It's only 14 kilobyte. It doesn't matter. So the source you can input, upload asset, and in here, wait, what's up? That is this thing, and the source make it animation the JSON that you have to insert in here. So this screen one is for the splash screen. Now let's next to the screen two. That that will be uh, the radio. The radio adjust. Yes, adjust. Adjuster. Create, and then as you can see in here too, it's an MC, but it's okay, it's fine. And then we can just head to give a first image. Okay, so in here we can see in here image, adjust the align horizontal center and center, and then you have to insert your all. Okay, you have to insert your all asset that you have made, you have download. Sorry. So in here, you can just upload the set. One, two, three. Oh, it cannot. Okay, just give me a second to upload this thing. This it's more of like the components that we need to use it, and also this is important for the app because yeah, I suggest you to minimize the UI. All right. So begin from here. You can just add the image in here, picture, and then background PNG. You see first, okay, just like this. Scale picture of it. Hit fill parent. But if you now have automatic, and it's definitely not good. So the first that we have to use it, we don't use it. We don't use this for the background exactly. So we use this background image and then background PNG. All right, it's fine. Now let's just to the next thing that we can use poster PNG. So in here, poster PNG that you have get in here. What is it? Wait. What's all right. Yes, I'm posting comments the asset of link, a link asset. Yeah, more like that. Okay. So the first we can see in here it's an adjust. So first we did a hit automatically, but visible scale picture fit with 90%. And after doing this, scale to picture Rotation, scale picture to fit, automatic. Ah, that's it. Just like this. And then make sure you see for the component like space first, space. Wait, did I do wrong thing? Well, I will refresh first because I think I did wrong in here. And after this, we open. I'll just open the project, and then you can see in here. So by the way, the first one that we have to see in here, adjust the adjuster component. So make sure component is adjust and two space. First space, and place it in here. The 8 is 25%, but so let's make sure the align vertical and align horizontal is it. Yes, and then we can just set the screen image space. You have to use Samsung Galaxy S9. Yes, it's cause it's cool. And then slide, you have to go get a slider. Just put in here and make the max value 50 and the min value is, yes, this as a clearly, and the width fill parent. After that, have to make sure space again, so space in here. After that, I think I have to give it 3% only. Okay. After that, we can add horizontal arrangement for the first time. Horizontal arrangement. And second that we have to do is make it 4. So in here, make sure we have scrollable screen. So let's make sure we can scroll this thing in our screen. Make it 3, 1, bruh, like this. But the first thing that you have to know, uh, horizontal arrangement. Okay, it's only 2. Wait, sorry. It's only 2. Gillette and drop in the bottom of this thing. Make sure you have to use your image first. Okay, image 1, 2, and then space. Okay, and we have to edit 2 space. After all, we add image. Clearly in here, I just suggest you to fit your button, so my arrangements all look like this. Stop. No, let's stop. Pause. Stop. And play. before we head to the next, so we have to adjust first 80 and 80 pixels. So we need only 80 and 80 pixels. So px, we can copy, reset, here, and just more like this. Make it clickable. All right, 1, 2, and 3. So that we see in the horizontal arrangement that we have to adjust to center and center. Cast it left and top, we'll do it center and center. After that, the fill parent, we will use it in here. Alright, so we cast in here, we have it, and then head is also magnetically. So guys, after this, we will duplicate this space and drag it in the bottom first. After all, we will use button. Oh my god, button, button, and duplicate this thing with Control D. It's enough. And then just give it a text. So my text is make sure you have this. The left is exit, and this thing is radial this. Okay, so in here we will use space, this space automatic, and the width is about 1%. After all, like this width is fill parent, and then our button with fill parent too, and then this fill parent too. So it's balanced now. Already guess. More like this. After all, let's we head to the block. So we guess I had the two blocks. We have to one click, one stop. Wait. Oh yes, I forgot to add a button, player and notifier. Simply have our functions too, but I cannot clearly make it clarify in here, so let's make it complex. Player, player, and then motive. All right, now we see in here. Now let's we just adjust the block. So the first one that we have to see is button. But the first, wait, actually, we have to give it name. So this pulse, rename this stop, rename, and this as a play. Nicely, and then we just gotta have to block. I guess we have to design the block first. When to click stop, when stop click, we duplicate the slot, pause, duplicate, and then play. Divide it in a tree. So after that, after we divide in the tree, button one click. Wait. Oh, exit. So we guess now do button one. This is exit. Exactly, we can use it exit and this list. All right, after we name it, we can just go to the block and then click this exit. When exit click, oh my god, there's a blue thingy, but it's okay. So we head to the blocking button one slider for. Okay, so the first one you can just call player one stop player this stop notifier will notify show alert notice this and then gather your text in here. Uh, it's simply uh, stop it. And then after that, it's same too, but we can only just duplicate this thing and then goes to the player and then this is pause. So you do place it in here and place it in the pause too and pause it. After that, this little okay duplicate and playing and gets to the player. After that, start. Yes. Player one. Start. Where is start? Oh, this. Start and then we can just gather with text duplicate. After that, we can give the list. So I will have the list too. So in here, I make a list for the radio. Will I open up first? Okay, I will copy and give it to you guys. Hey, wait. I guess I cannot. So I just make a new file, create and share, and then I will give it a name. Mm, wait, first. This thing, document, then head up, and I give you share the link here in the comment. Exactly. And you want, you will copy, and then there's my StreamYard link. Okay, is it I can okay. Here the list of the radio. So I guess I can back to the main. So the first, uh, the source that we will use first is radio hidayah, and when do exit, stop, close application. As here, duplicate, stop, and then control, close application, and then we will button copy, click, wait. Oh yes, this is a list. So we'll do it to when list click, and then call player one stop, and on the open another screen. So let's we make it list, and oh my god, screen one adjuster list. After that we can do in control or open another screen called list. Okay, after this we can choose slider. Where's my slider? Slider one. When position has changed, and then set player one volume. So you have to get set player one. Okay, another is two, and then volume, and then we can just go to the slider again. Hmm, where's my still that didn't load. Okay, thumb position, and then we can go to the next. So we can just goes to the list. So the first one, we have to the designer. Go to list. We can first we will use horizontal arrangement. Okay, here horizontal arrangement. I think we have to adjust first, like we did in first time. Center and top one. Center. With this. Oh yes. List. Center. Like this. And then scroll label. Okay, we can just adjust the horizontal arrangement first. Align horizontal one, align vertical two. So after that we can use space, space in here. Okay, how much the space? Automatic and 3% wide. It's too tiny. And then back button. We will make the back button. So in here, I can suggest you to go image, and as you can see here, name it back button. Okay, and then this thing, and make the pixel is 32 px. Copy and paste, and boom. Then just give this space duplicate with Control D, and then you can use text bold. No. Label, yes, label, and we adjust the label font size 18, 18, and then automatic left, and then the text is after that we can use space. Hey, wait, the horizontal arrangement isn't fill parent, so the width is fill parent, also just like this, and make sure you have to get a space, and then image. After that we can head up poster png again, and make it 90% visible. Then we can just give this image 3 space 3, okay, space 2 space drop here, and then get a list picker, and then we can just get our space. Okay, but I guess I have to adjust first the height uh, and text list channel radio. So I guess you in here have to type this, and after that we can make the space it or 1%, and the slider volume is can be necessary too, and the width is automatic. No, I mean fill parent, and then we can just get a copy of this space. Let's just make the horizontal arrangement. After that we can do a player. This is like a micro another screen, but it's a feature with like this. Also after that we can use horizontal arrangement, playing, stopping, pausing. Horizontal arrangement, wait, where is my horizontal arrangement? Oh, it isn't visible, so let's make it visible. Image 1, 2, 3 space 1, and then 2, and then get a player, a notifier. Okay, After this, we can see in here, we can just stop and make it different like other stopper. Oh my god, this name is very goofy. Pause, pause, and then play player, but not a gamer too. Hmm, play. Oh my god, let's just make it 90 px, 90 or 80, 80, 80 first. 80 px, 80 px, and then 80 px, 80 px. I like to type, so I didn't do uh, copies. You can guys do copy to be make it simple faster, cause my life is not as simple as you all. So let's just make it easier first. We head to the block. Okay, we head to the block, and I guess you have to know this thing. Oh, when the back button click, open another, open another screen. Screen name one. Screen name adjuster. So in here, uh, there's a back button. Click Control, open another screen, adjust, and then after that we can initialize global index radio. So where I can get a initialize global. So in here, there's a lot. I'm sorry, I get a problem too in here. So let's just start again. So we make a two list in here, but after all, we name it different. There is index radio and URL radio. So in here, we first camel case index radio, and this like same. Okay, make a list first. But we'll divide it into two, and guess what? We'll use this thing. and we'll make it to duplicate. I guess satisfying, but we'll make it faster. Click right and duplicate. Don't use control D because it makes it bookmark. So I do remove it first. And after that we can use my dictionaries for my assets. So for the first, we'll see radio muas. So the index can use mm, this first radio muaz, and then radio Madinah, and then radio Hidayah, and then radio Mujarab Quran. I guess this is 6, but it's okay. Can edit one. All right, it's not a problem for me because I ever do this too. Mm, duplicate, take it in here, and then audio al iman. After that, we'll input the URL from radio muaz, in here URL radio. As you can see, I have to match in the list. Also make it prevent to you get wrong. Okay, Radio Madinah. Okay, and then paste in here, or we can just copy and then paste and match with the describe. So like this. Okay, Mutiara Quran, and then the second is Izzatul Khair, Izzatul Khair, and then Aliman. This is really easy. Su Aliman. And then after that, after you made this, make sure when list video after picking, okay. Okay, so first we will get where our list picker. So this is our list picker. This it's okay. Selection, and then we can make select this item list index. So in here we get the list, select list item list. In here we can get it to do I make a fail too. Okay, and then list radio and player one source. So first from here, list radio text and then source. Okay, and then text, and then we can just go to the player, and then we can get a player, now the random player, place, world, see, structure, and the player one is source. All right. So now the next is get global index radio, and get global URL radio is located here. So we guess get in here, duplicate, and then index radio, URL radio, and then make sure list radio selection index. So we can get selection index from list speaker in here. Also, if you know, it's a little laggy. And after that, where is it? Selection index. Selection index. All right. And we can duplicate. And after that, we can head to the list radio before picking. List speaker again. And select to before picking. Set list radio element. Okay, duplicate it only. Trash listing, delete, and then make sure you have to it element, and then you can get global index radio here, and then make sure you have to call player stop, call player one stop first. It's not like itu here, and then in case of get the playing, stopping, where's pausing? Wait, is it have to playing, stopping, pausing? But there's no pause. Although it's not used to, but it's okay. Just get in the slider. What we have to get is slider thumb position. Okay, and then slider again, position change, and then we can get the player one, volume, after that we can merge to the block, and then we can add playing click and stopping click. Player, player, playing click, duplicate, there is stopping, stopper, player and stopper, and then we get to the start, and then stop, and then guess I have to get a notice because we add notifier in here. show alert, not notice. Duplicate, show alert, notice. Boom, and then we can gather the text, gather this empty, merge the other. This is playing. This is stop it. All right. So only the codes are just like this, and then you can test in your phone. Exactly, you can test with companion. But in my case, now I don't have a phone, neither I don't have to a companion or an emulator. So that's all of my Islamic radio app. I have to give it to the host. Exactly. So where's the host? Okay.
Okay, Alhamdulillah, thank you for explanation about it. Yeah, how to make radio app using Angular. Okay, I hope all of you get this. You can use the process and make it properly and correctly. Thank you very much for our webinar and setting camera dalam suatu Alhamdulillah. Subhanallah kita. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.